Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss one topic, that is some common terms related to an email and netiquettes. So let's start with common email terms. Very first is smileys, or we can say that emote icons and emojis as well. Now, what are emojis and this emote icons or smiley? I hope by using WhatsApp, when you send the message to your friend, many of you may have used the small yellow color faces expressing some emotions like smiling, laughing, sadness. All of these small faces are called smileys or emojis or emote icons, as these are some special characters, and or we can say that some characters that resemble human faces and they express some emotions in the message, so that is why these are called emote icons. And here in the table they give some of the expressions like cry, smile, laugh, sad, wow, wink, etc. Okay, so maybe while composing your email you directly get the emojis with the option, and if it is not there they specify here some keyboard keys. By typing that you can get the particular smiley or particular emoji. Like for the smile, there's a double colon and hyphen and bracket is there. So you can type that and you can get smiley face. So next one is abbreviation. Abbreviation are basically the short form of some text. This basically used to save your time while typing. So in the table here they give some of the examples for your abbreviation, like for as soon as possible you can write it down in the capital ASAP. So its full form is as soon as possible. Rather than writing take care in the capital, you can write down TC. By the way, you can write down BTW. So these all are the abbreviation for the text present onto this site. So this you can use, you can in your message for saving your time. Next one is shouting. If you're typing one message and you use all the capital letter in the line or in the text, that may be treated as shouting and it's maybe annoying or hard to read. So it's always suggested while composing the message use combination of upper and lower case letters together rather than your all the letters and text in the capital letter. The next one is bounced message. Now what is a bounced message? Suppose I compose one mail and then I enter the email address. By mistake there is some slight differences or some slight changes I do uh, with in the email address, and at that time if the email address is wrong, and maybe the case is that you enter the email address which do not belong to any person, then the server will send back your message to you only. When the server send back the message to you only, the received message that is returned to you, it's called bounced message. Next is signature. Signature is information that you add about yourself at the end of every message. Like I compose one email and at the end of the message I added thanks and regards, then my name, then I added the organization name or the company where I work, then I write down ICT teacher. So this type of the information is called signature. And as a child, while you send the message, you can add the information like your name, your school name, your class name, your roll number. That information is called signature. So while composing the email, you can add the information. That information will be treated as signature. Last is attachment. That I hope all of you know about the attachment. With the email message, you can attach some files as well, like photographs, word file, document you can share with your email. That file which you attach with the email is called attachment. And the last topic is netiquettes. This word comes from the two words, that is internet and etiquettes. Etiquettes are some manners that we follows, and netiquettes means while using internet we follow some manners or some rules we follow. We can say that some etiquettes we follow while using the internet, or while sending the message to the other person, while sending the email to the other person. Those manners or code of conduct we follow are called netiquettes. Some of are listed below. That your subject line should be clear while composing the mail. Your message should be simple and to the point. Avoid using all the capital letters in your email. Next one is, while composing email, you can add the emojis for expressing the expression to the person. Next, in the message, try to avoid the formatting like bold, italic, and all. Next is, while composing the mail, just take care of this thing, that by mistake you do not send it to the wrong person. And maybe in your email you contain some private information related to yourself, and if it reach to the wrong email address, that will be dangerous for us. So last one is, use abbreviation for your phrases. So this is all about your today's topic. I hope you understand well. Thank you so much.